What's up, good people? Welcome to a very special video.
What's up, good people? Welcome to a very special video.
In this video, I will show you how to edit audio file like a professional without any app and just in one click. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Okay, right now we are on the screen. So first of all, open up your Google Chrome. Here you need to search Adobe Podcast. Top of the result, here you can see a website Adobe Podcast. Click on it. And top right corner, 3-dot bar, click on it and enable desktop side. Okay, now sign in. Here you can see. Click on it. And now you have to sign in with Google or with your Facebook account or within Apple account. So I will create my account within Google. So continue with Google. Then I will select any of my email. So I will select this. Click on it. It will take just few minutes or few seconds, depends on with your network. So now scroll down. Here you can see AI powered audio and here's an option called try it out. Just click on it, try it out. Okay, now here you can see an option called upload. Here you need to upload your audio which you wanted to edit. I'll go to files. And then I will click audio files. Now I will edit this little clip. I will select this and okay. It will take only few seconds. Here you can see it start processing, enhancing speech. So I will show you the result before and after. It will take only few seconds depend on with your network. If you have a good network, then it will take only few seconds. See, it's ready. So first of all, we will hear it out like without enhancing. First of all, before it was exactly like this.
What's up, good people? Welcome to a very special video.
See, a lot of noise and unclear voice. Now we will see the final result. So we will click here, enhance speech. Now you can hear the final result.
What's up, good people? Welcome to a very special video.
You can see the difference. There is no noise, clear voice, and so easy to edit. I hope next time you can edit your audio file within this simple method. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel to support me. And finally, you can option here, download. Just click on it. It will download. See, your audio file is ready.